My grandpa owned this car. Way back in the recesses of childhood memory, I remember it. I must have been 4 or 5. Well, his was not a convertible, it was yellow, and I remember it in the driveway, and for some reason the low look of it just appealed to me. My grandpa was a salesman, and my dad finally convinced him that he should be driving a Cadillac, that his customers would see his success through his car and have confidence in the equipment he sold them. Every car he owned until his death was a Caddy. I love these old A&B castings though, so stick around. My grandma used to tell me stories, and she said that Grandpa had a girl in Duluth. I asked her how she knew, and she said when he comes home, his dirty laundry is just tossed in his suitcase. But when he comes home from Duluth, it's always packed. When I asked her why she didn't kick up a fuss, she just said, well, you know how men are. This is Time Rider, and I'll leave the light on for you.